Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the two-factor authentication on your Fyers account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Fyers application on your device, and once you open it up, proceed forward with logging in using your credentials. Once you are logged in and taken into the home page, if you wish to turn off two-factor authentication, tap on the account icon at the bottom right corner, and once you tap on this, you will see the settings option. Go ahead and tap on settings, and now within the settings page you will see the biometric authentication section. Go ahead and tap on it. If this is already turned on, then you will see the on option within this. Just tap on this toggle and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to turn off biometric authentication. Once you tap on the yes button, you will be asked to provide your fingerprint for verification. As soon as you provide your fingerprint, the two-factor authentication will be turned off within your account. And now, whenever you log in, you will not need to provide any verification in order to use your Fyers account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to disable two-factor authentication on your Fyers account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.